Our team, which is led by Laura Simon Sanchez, is here to study the vertical distribution of microplastic in this water in order to better understand the dynamic of sinking microplastic, because nowadays we have quite good knowledge about the microplastic that are in superficial water, and also we know that the final reservoir for plastic are sediments. And what we don't know is how this plastic is reaching the sea bottom.
My name is Laura Simon. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at Aalborg University, but I'm also a National Geographic explorer. First, we are targeting the surface and subsurface water outside of the Panama Canal, and it's one of the busiest harbors in the world, so we can inform how this marine traffic might be a potential source of microplastic to the ocean. And also on the other objective of this cruise, that we are targeting the water column.
We are going to study the vertical distribution of microplastic along the water column by filtering a large volume of waters at different and multiple depths. And to do that, we will use the Rosette CTD on board of the Falkor 2, as well as a McLean pump, which is a filtering device that can be deployed at different depths, up to 5,000 meters. And also, in addition, we will collect subsurface samples. All this water, besides the one that will be filtered through the McLean pump, will be filtered by using a custom-made device that has been developed and built at Aalborg University. The name of this device is UFO, which stands for Universal Filtering Object. Why are we spending all this time at sea? Why are we using so much effort in the lab, and now why are we using so many resources to understand how microplastic are sinking at the sea bottom? Because before acting, we need to know, and a better knowledge fills all these knowledge gaps. Through this, we can better understand how to tackle the problem, how to move from basic research to environmental protection. So the final goal is to understand how we can somehow try to fix this problem. Of course, the problem is solved by closing the tap, so reducing the use of plastic, increasing recycling, but also trying to understand how we can better understand how the plastic is reaching the final recipient, which is the bottom of the sea.
We like to say at Aalborg University, it's like we are looking for the needle in the haystack. And for that, we had to remove all the hay, and we go through this sample preparation protocol to at the end isolate the microplastic particles. Many people think scientific expeditions always look for something exotic or mysterious. Microplastics are not rare and are in fact a side effect of our daily lives on Earth. We know the world is changing, that people have impacted, and it's important we now find out exactly how.